The first step is to open the PDF you want to turn into a worksheet. Resize the PDF so you can take a screenshot of the entire page. Use whatever tool you normally use to save the screenshot. Type in a file name and press Enter to save it. Click the Tabs X to close the tab. Open a new tab, and click the waffle menu. Click the Slides icon to open a new presentation. Click the blank presentation icon to open a new presentation. Click File. Click Page Setup. Click the down arrow to change the slide size. Click Custom. With your mouse, type 8.5. With your mouse, type 11. Click Apply. Your page is now worksheet sized. Right-click in the blank slide. Click Change Background. Click Choose Image. Choose where you saved your image. In this example, click Browse. In this example, click Desktop. Click Worksheet. Click Open. Click Done. To view the worksheet larger, click Format. Click Zoom. Click 100%. You can now see how the worksheet will look to your students. To add where students will type, click the text box icon. With your mouse, create a text box. You'll change the font color to make where your students type stand out. Click the font color icon. Click a new color. Type here, so students know where to type their answers. With your mouse, copy and paste the text box onto the next place your students will need to type. Repeat the copy and paste wherever your students will need to type. If you need to add more pages to the worksheet, right-click in the existing slide. Click New Slide. Repeat making the screenshots and adding them to the background of the slides. To see what your students will see, click Present. That's it. You're done. You can now assign the worksheet to your students in Google Classroom.